5 simply clever storage solutions for small space. 1. Storage inside headboard. The first tip: you can try to decorate small spaces by creating storage inside headboard. This is such a great idea since bed usually takes the largest portion of space in the bedroom. By creating storage inside the headboard, you can save and maximize spaces. This trick can make your bedroom look larger than its actual size. You can use the headboard to keep small items such as books, photo frames, lamps, and much more. 2. Storage inside the walls. In spite of leaving your walls empty and seem not more important than tools to support your house to stand above the ground, you can maximize their function. You can create storage inside the walls to keep your items. The nicest thing about creating storage inside the walls is that you can use all the walls, start from living room up to the bathroom. Use your creativity so the storages will not look too overwhelming. 3. Use cupboard as a laundry room. One of the items in-house that takes much space is laundry tool. People usually free special space for laundry room. Instead of using special room for your laundry activities, you can use a cupboard as a laundry room. You can use shelves with various sizes of storage boxes and dimensions. Not only this idea can help you to save spaces in your house, but it also can make things look well organized. 4. Room dividers made of storage units. Why not use your storage units such as shelves and cupboard as room dividers? This is a great idea, since you do not need walls anymore to divide rooms inside your house. Using storage units as room dividers is a good solution if you have difficulties in dividing your areas in your small house. This idea is also very suitable for you who prefer to apply an open floor for your interior design. 5. Storage under the bed. Since bed always becomes one of items that requires large space in bedroom, maximizing the function of the item is really a good idea. Instead of using your bed as place to lay down your body only, you can make storages under the item. You can create separate compartments under the bed to keep things like blankets, extra pillows, curtains, and much more. You can also fill it with boxes to keep your children's toys,